Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Dora, an ESL teacher from the Philippines with experience teaching foreign learners since 2023. I have handled students of all ages, from young learners to adults, helping them develop strong English communication skills. I hold the TFL certification and specialize in phonics, grammar, sentence construction, reading, literature, and writing. I focused on building a solid foundation while making lessons interactive and meaningful. As a teacher, my mission is to guide students toward becoming confident and effective English communicators. I strongly believe that learning should be enjoyable, engaging, and personalized to ensure real progress. I look forward to working with you and supporting your growth in English. See you soon!